In this video, we'll walk you through the process of configuring test report template. To configure a test report template, go to the Application Settings and then to Form Configurations. Now switch to Test. Select a test group and a test code from the drop-down menu. Press Report Template. Select the attributes that you would like to include in the report. To save these selected attributes as a template, click Add a new category. Enter a name and press Add. Similarly, you can create multiple templates for each test group and test code. To set your preferred template as the default, select a template from the drop-down menu and press Set as Default. Press Save and then press Close. To configure a report template for displaying analytes, press Configure Analytes, then press Report Template. In the Report Template window, select Vertical View or Horizontal View, depending on how you would like to arrange the analytes and the results in the table. Tick Include Analytes Donut Chart if you would like to display analytes as a donut chart in your report. Specify a title for the chart. Select Legends and Annotations if you would like to include both in the chart. Select a slice value and a slice label from the drop-down menu. Tick Include Analytes Flagging Chart if you would like to include an analyte flagging chart in your report. Select an analyte flagging range from the drop-down menu. Now select a position of the range label. Deselect the analyte attributes to be excluded from your report. By default, all attributes are selected. To save the selection as a template, click Add a new category, enter a name and press Add. Press Save and then press Close. The analyte template is applicable for the selected test group and test code only. If you would like to include attributes from other modules, such as sample management or client management in the test report, you can configure the report template in a similar manner. Thank you for watching. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call +1 302 789 0447. Thank you.